Well, good morning guys and welcome back. Today everything is covered in snow. So last night it stopped snowing probably around 10 o'clock and I measured it and it was 6 inches, and I was like, ooh, I'm definitely gonna get to plow snow. This is definitely worthy of plowing snow, because I've had my own loader now for like, this is the 4th winter and I've never got to plow snow. Anybody that buys a loader, you know, they're like itching, like, when is the first snow gonna happen so I can plow some snow? So I knew I was going to get to plow some snow this morning, and then it rained last night and it's compressed the snow a lot, so it's not so fluffy. But I think it still needs like cleared, because if not, then it's just going to get compressed and it's going to melt and get icy. So I think I'm going to take the old Bobcat MT100 in the big old firewood bucket here and push some snow. So let's do a little cold start on her, and then we'll go in, warm up, and come back out and push some snow. Let's let that thing warm up, go in the garage, sit by the wood stove and watch a YouTube video for 5 or 10 minutes while that warms up. Days like today and this weekend, where I'm in the barn a lot and I'm burning all the time, really makes me appreciate all those cookies I kept from firewood, because that is all I burn. I have like totes and totes of little split cookies, and obviously they're not huge, but that is as close as you're gonna get to free heat.